Hello? 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 Yes. Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, Lashmi.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, Lashmi, am I audible to you? No, you can't hear me.
Ma'am, it's okay, but there is no more sound.
No more sound.
The sound is low.
Very low. Is it very low?
No, ma'am, it's
ma'am.
okay for us.
Okay, okay. Let me check it. Okay, 1 minute.
Maybe a device problem.
No, it's low for me.
Okay, let me check it. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm using headset maybe because of that.
You can. Okay, okay, okay. So, what about the others? I am using another headphone. That is why headset. That is why. Is
It's
it
okay
okay?
for me, ma'am.
What about Ishal?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you properly.
Okay. Abhinand Krishna?
Ma'am, I also.
Okay, okay. And how many of you are hearing me very in low sound? Low sound. Low sound. Lashmi?
Ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay, okay. Lashmi? Lashmi?
No problem, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Now-
It's a low, no? It is very low. Just increase the volume of your device. Sometimes maybe that also. Okay. So almost can hear me, right?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
So let me start.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes. Good afternoon. So let me start. So good afternoon, children. We can now start the new lesson, right? In the last class, we discussed that I gave the introduction, isn't it? So what is the name of that chapter? What is the name of the chapter?
Transportation in animals and plants.
Okay, transportation, about transportation in animals and plants. So first we understood what is the meaning in general. What is the general meaning of transportation? What is the general meaning of transportation? So before that, let me ask to switch on the videos. Yeah, should I call your names? Okay, switch on your videos fast. Children.
Ma'am, I use network issue.
Okay, okay, okay. So if you are facing any problems, you can inform me. Okay, Affin, I understood. Affin and Anthony, I understood. I hope rest all can switch on the videos. Milan, I can see only Messi there. Okay. So what is the general meaning of transportation? Who can say? Who is ready to say that? General meaning. I am not asking the meaning of transportation in the chapter. What is the general meaning of transportation? What about Shreya? Shreya baby, can you tell me that answer? Yes, Hessa?
Ma'am, vehicle.
Okay, Hessa, please wait. Shreya is facing some problems, I think. Becomes stuck. Okay, okay. Carolyn, can you tell me what is the general meaning of transportation? General meaning of transportation.
Transporting
Ah,
one thing from one place to another.
say some more loud.
Transporting one thing from one place to another.
Okay. Transporting. I want to know the meaning of transporting. So how you can answer?
Ma'am,
How you?
Ma'am, can I say?
1 minute, 1 minute. Caroline, transporting. I want to get the meaning of that word. Huh?
one thing from another.
One,
One thing from another.
one thing to another. What to do with one thing to another? Transporting. So what is the meaning of transporting?
Can I say?
Oh, okay, Aditya. Carlin, your answer is correct, but I want to get the meaning of transporting. Yes, Aditya.
Moving place to place.
Okay, movement. Movement of, understood. Carolyn, now I hope you understood now. Movement of humans, animals and objects or things or goods from one place to another. That is called transportation. That is the general meaning that all we explained in the last class. And now, in our body, what is the importance of transportation? What is to be transported? That we want to learn. In our body or in humans and in animals, what is to be transported? Yes, what is to be transported? I think that also we have
We
discussed it.
discussed last.
Yeah, yeah. So Gauri Parvati, yes, Gauri.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you listen, like we can see whether Gauri is giving that correct answer or not. Yes, Gauri.
Transporting oxygen from lungs to the cells.
Very good.
Then transporting digested food.
Very good. Then
Then transporting waste materials.
waste materials. One more is important.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide also, it comes under
Oxygen.
what? Oxygen, it is already told.
Water.
Water. Okay, so water, that is very important for our life process. We need water. So transportation of oxygen, transportation of carbon dioxide like waste, transportation of digested food, transportation of
Can you say every 4 points one more time?
yes, Hessa. Yes, this point, no? These points, no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And I will prepare the notes and also will send it in the groups. Okay, don't worry. So, what all substances to be transported in our body? That is my question. Say in generally goods, cloth piece or cloth materials or fruits, vegetables and also garbages also are transporting. But in our body, what all things has to be transported? First one, oxygen. Second one, digested food. Third one, water. And the fourth one, carbon dioxide and also other waste produced in our body. So 4 things. Okay, oxygen like things, digested food, then water. These 3 things need to be distributed. And the fourth one, that is about the waste. That also is to be transported. Okay. So, is it clear now? These 4 things,
Yes, ma'am.
these 4 things mainly in our body need to be transported. Okay. So, you understood what all the things to be transported. Next, my question. What is the need of transporting these substances in our body? My question, Arjun, what you are doing, you know the answer. That is why you are raising your hand. Okay, okay, I will give you chance. Okay, so let me clear my question. What is the need of transporting such substances in our body? Like oxygen, water, digested food, and also waste. Why these substances need to be transported? Yes, we can hear from Arjun. Yes, Arjun.
Oxygen and all is used for digestion.
Oxygen, using oxygen only.
No,
Ah,
oxygen and
Ah.
food is used for digestion.
Okay. Okay.
The nutrients is we need nutrients and all for our energy.
To get energy.
Okay, very
get
good. First point, energy. Okay. So who needs energy? Why it need energy? I want to get that answer.
For our physical growth.
For our physical growth. Okay. Who needs our energy?
Cells.
Cells. Very good. That is the main point. Okay. Because our life, our body, in the previous chapter you learned, our body is made of so many cells. All the life process take place in cells. All the life process take place in cells. So what do you mean by life process? What all process that need to, what all functions that all need to the growth of our body. That is called life process. Okay? The functions, the process which all need for our growth, our body growth. That is called life process. So all the life process are taking place in cells. There are numerous cells. Our body is made of numerous cells. As cells need to perform different functions. What they need?
Energy.
Okay. So to perform all the functions, cells need energy. Arjun, listen, concentrate in class. Say, when I asked you that question, you told some answer. That answers are not the correct points. You told these answers a peripheral answer. Peripheral answer means somewhat it is the answer, but was the correct answer? No. So concentrate in the classes. Okay. So what is the need to transport these substances in our body? That is my question. Yes.
To get energy for ourselves.
Okay. All the body functions are taking place in our cells. Cells should get energy in order to do the functions. So, in order to do the function, cells need energy. To get energy, what is required? To get
Transportation.
Food. Oxygen.
digested food, oxygen. Okay. In order to get energy, in order to do the functions in the cells need some substances, right? Cells need some substances like oxygen, water, digested food, this all. And not only that, the waste which is produced in the cell, that also should be removed from the cells. Isn't it? So these are things to be done in the cells. That is why we need transportation in our body. So the next point that we learned. See here I can say so many videos are off and in between it is switching on. Amal, why? Otherwise I will ask question. Yes, Issa?
I'm not well, that's why I'm not switching on my camera.
So if you have some reason, I can understand. Otherwise, switch on. Otherwise, I will ask questions to those which are switching off the videos, and they may get a imposition also. Okay, don't blame me after that. So here, okay, Angelia. So what is the need of transportation in our body? Our body is made of so many cells. All the process for the growth of our body is taking place in each cell. Okay. So some substances like oxygen, water, digested food is to be supplied to each cell. Then only it can do the functions. And due to the process in the cells, some waste also may be produced. That also need to be removed from the cells. So, this is the need to transport substances in our body. Is it clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, let me ask to Tanmay. Tanmay, can you explain what is the need of transportation in our body?
Ma'am, every part of our body require energy.
Every part of our body is made of cells. Cells need energy. Okay.
Energy.
Then, so
Transportation.
okay, by transportation, what the cells get?
By transportation, cells get energy.
Ma'am, he told.
Yes, Hessa. I am giving chance to Hessa.
Ma'am, he told.
Ma'am, from transportation, oxygen, digested food, carbon dioxide, water and other waste are produced in our body. So from that we get energy to our cells.
Yeah. See, Tanmay told it. Okay, it is correct. Only the halfway. Can you hear me, children? Yes. So when these are transported, then only they may get energy. You told they may get energy by transportation. What is to be transported? That also you have to mention there. Tanmay, got it? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these substances need to be transported. Oxygen, water, and digested food, mainly. Then waste also. We should remove waste also from the cell. So I hope the third point also it is clear. And now, like Amazon, Flipkart, these all are delivery sites, right? Yes. Isn't it? Yes. You are well
Yes,
known
ma'am.
about this. Yeah. So, likewise, in our body, transportation is taking place. Malavika, which is the delivery site or delivery agent in our body? Malavika. Okay, who can say which is
Ma'am, nerves.
nerves?
Blood.
Blood is there. That is a tissue.
Cell.
Blood
vessel.
Blood tissues.
Okay.
Blood vessels.
So the delivery site, it is circulatory system. Got it? So which is the which system is responsible for transportation in our body?
Circulatory
Circulatory system. Amal?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of the system?
Circulatory system.
Let me complete my question, Amal. So if I asked, name the system which helps in digestion, you may answer it like circulatory system, right? So let me complete my question. Okay, Amal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the name of the delivery site in our body?
Circulatory system.
Which one? Which one? Say it, Amal.
I cannot say that properly.
Why? You have to. Uma.
Circulatory system.
Very nice. Why you told first circulatory system? Okay, so circulatory system is the system that helps in our body in transportation. Which all are the parts of circulatory system?
Heart, blood vessels,
Heart, blood vessels.
Heart, blood vessels,
Capillaries.
Okay. 1 minute, 1 minute. Parthiv.
Vein, artery.
Parthiv. Unmute Parthiv. Not able to.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is the name of the system that helps in transportation in our body?
Circulatory system.
Okay, no doubt about it. So in circulatory system, can you tell me which all parts helps in transportation?
Blood vessels.
Blood vessels, very good. Then why we need blood vessel? Why we need blood vessel? Okay, Parthiv, tell me. What are the parts or which are the parts of circulatory system? Blood vessels. Only blood vessels are there. Huh? What happened? What happened to you today? Can you hear me? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me ask to Sriram. Sriram, tell me the parts of circulatory system.
Heart,
Yeah, very good.
blood vessels,
Blood vessels.
arteries,
Arteries all contain comes under vessels, blood vessels. Okay. So heart is there. Okay. Blood vessel is there. Okay. And one more thing, very important. It connects to heart and blood vessels. What is that?
ma'am. Capillaries
No. Capillaries comes under blood vessels.
and blood.
Blood. Blood.
Veins.
No,
Blood.
not veins.
And blood.
It is the blood. Okay, so in circulatory system, there are 3 parts that helps in transportation in circulatory system. They are first blood. Which is that one? Blood. Blood vessels. Okay, and the third one, heart. So blood vessels and heart. These are the 3 parts of circulatory system that helps in transportation in our body. In transporting these all substances throughout our body. Okay, clear? Abhinav Bijoy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, which are the parts of circulatory system in our body that helps in transportation?
Blood vessels, heart, and blood.
Blood. So, if you are saying it in a order, it will be very useful to remember. Lakshmi, can you see any order in these parts?
Blood vessels.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Nelvin, which are the parts of circulatory system?
Blood vessels, heart.
Okay. So let me ask to Milan. Milan. Yes, unmute Milan fast. I am not getting answer from Milan. I want to get it. Milan. Yes. What is the function of circulatory system in our body? What is the function of circulatory system in our body? Only one word is that. That is enough for me. I can't hear you. Okay. Uma.
Can you hear me?
Some more loud.
Yes, ma'am.
Say it.
Can you repeat the question? I couldn't
Yes,
hear.
sure. See, what is the function of circulatory system in our body?
To transport nutrients.
Yeah, transportation. That is. Okay, only one word. What is that answer, Milan? That is transportation of substances. Transportation of substances is the main function of circulatory system. So we learned about the 3 parts also. Okay, now we can see one by one. First, we can learn about blood. Okay, so Missia. Missia.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What do you know about blood? Blood? What do you know about blood?
It is all over our body.
It is all over our body. Very good. Then, so at this time, all need to remember, they need to think about it. Okay. If I am asking a question to one student, the others also think about that. Just think that question is towards you. Likewise. Yes. Miss Yad, it is all over our body. That is a good answer. Yeah. Then, that is all over your body and you know that only. Huh?
No, ma'am.
Then tell me. Okay, all on a sudden, if it is asked like this, it is very difficult. Okay. Rudra. Rudra. Rudra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What you can say about blood?
Blood helps us to move.
Blood helps us to?
Ma'am, blood controls our body with the circulation.
Is it blood? Anyhow. Then see, you in your body, all over your body, blood is there. And if I ask a question like this, you have to think about it. Ayan, 1 minute, Gauri. Ayan, I know Ayan is having some answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is that answer? Yes? No? No? What is the color of the blood? Even that also you don't know.
Red color.
Okay, red color.
It's hemoglobin.
Yeah, okay. You learned about the word hemoglobin. Okay, good. You understood it is red in color. That is what I am asking. I am not asking about the points which are there in the textbook. If you have to say that points, why I should stand here?
Blood helps in transportation.
Yeah, blood helps.
Blood is the medium for transportation.
Very good.
Blood takes every food, digested food and all to our cells.
Oh, yes, very good. That all you learn. Then, Shufana. Yes, Shufana. What do you know about it?
Ma'am, blood is a transport liquid.
Okay. Blood transports. Okay. So, blood. That is very, very important. It is a red colored fluid that flows through the blood vessels. Blood vessels means small, tiny tubes through which blood passes, blood travels. That is called blood vessels. So, blood is a red colored fluid that passes throughout our body through the blood vessels.
Ma'am, it carries cells.
Okay. That Emelina, I am coming to that point. Okay. So these all points you have to learn. But as a blood is there in our body, we should have some basic points. It is having red color. It is like a fluid. It flows throughout our body and also it flows through the blood vessels. Okay. So if anybody...
Ma'am,
Yes.
each vessel is like a thread.
Yeah, small, tiny blood vessels means small tubes. Okay, very small, tiny tubes like a thread. But inside it is hollow. Inside it is hollow. Thread is not hollow. Amal, is the thread is hollow? No. Yeah.
Like pipe.
Like pipe. Very good. But that pipes are too tiny. Small, very small. Okay, so through which blood passes throughout our body. So what is the, I will ask Anusha. Anusha, try to give a definition of blood or what is a blood? Yes, unmute.
Ma'am, blood is in red color.
Red colored liquid, or you can say as a fluid.
Fluid.
Okay, red colored liquid or fluid. Okay, then
It transports the digested food to our body.
no. We are not saying about the function now. That is the function. Transportation is the function of blood. So now we are trying to define blood. What is blood? Blood is yes, try it, Anusha. So others also will get point by point. Blood is a red colored fluid or liquid. Yes. Which flows in
Blood vessels.
Very good. Blood vessels. Which flows in blood vessels throughout our body. Got it? 3 points. 3 points. Blood is a red colored fluid or liquid which flows in blood vessels throughout our body. Learn this definition?
Ma'am, can you see the points again?
Yes, sure. Yes, somebody is screaming. Who is that?
Lakshmi.
Okay, Lakshmi got it. Okay.
Ma'am.
So, yes.
Cockroaches have white color blood.
Yes, because that is
Ma'am,
there.
octopus have blue color blood.
Okay. See, we will discuss that all things. Okay, why our blood is having red color, that all we will learn. I think some of you may be knowing about it.
Because it contains hemoglobin.
Yes. So some students, those who don't know about hemoglobin, they may feel doubt. That is why I'm not mentioning that one. First, we can learn about the blood. Okay, Gauri, Parvati, can you give a definition of blood point by point so that others can write down it? Yes. Blood.
Blood is a red color fluid that passes through the blood vessels and covers the whole body.
Okay.
Slowly.
Slowly, no? Who
Ma'am,
can
one
say
more
it
time.
slowly? Who can say it slowly?
Anan.
Who can? Anan. Okay, Anan. Say.
Blood is a red color fluid
Got it?
which passes through the blood vessels, which
Which
flows through the
blood
blood vessels, which moves
and
entire body.
and circulates in our entire body. Circulates throughout our body. So 2-3 students are saying the same answer. So most of them maybe learned it now, right? Parvati Menon. Parvati.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, just try to give that answer.
Blood is a red colored fluid that flows through the blood vessels throughout our body.
Okay, throughout our body, circulates throughout our body. Yes, Aditya. Attendance, no? I will give you attendance, sure. Okay. So next one more student I will call. Krishna Kripa. What do you mean by blood, or how you can define blood?
Blood is a red color liquid which passes in blood vessels
Very
and
good.
out our body.
Okay. So your own words also you can use, no problem. Okay. And one more I want. Milan, I am not able to hear. Lakshmi. Yes, Lakshmi.
Blood is a red color fluid that flows in the blood vessels and circulates throughout the body.
Circulates throughout the body. I hope this answer is correct. Is clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So blood, we learned about blood. We learned now blood vessels. Blood vessels, we already told, tiny tubes that passes throughout our body, and blood is flowing through these blood vessels. Okay, different types of blood vessels are there that we will learn in the next class. And the last part of circulatory system, which is that
Heart.
heart. So should I say something about anything about heart? Okay, so heart, that is the main part of our body and also main part of our circulatory system. What is the function of heart?
It pumps blood.
It pumps blood through the blood vessels. Yes, it pumps the blood in the blood vessels. Okay, so this we learned today about the parts of circulatory system: blood vessels, and heart. Now, next class we will learn about the components of blood, different types of blood vessels, and finally the most interesting, what is that? Most interesting,
Blood is right.
yeah, parts of blood, parts of heart. Okay, different parts of the heart, how it helps to pump the blood. That all we will learn in the next or in the coming days. So I will send the notes regarding these main questions which we have discussed. I hope you all understood. Read the textbook.
Parts
Thank you,
part is
ma'am.
many. There are many.
Yes, sir.
Not me, ma'am. Amal.
Amal. Yes, Amal. What happened?
For heart, many parts are there, right?
It is not many parts. For learning, we are dividing the heart into different parts according to its function. Okay, so we will learn that in the next class. Okay. Okay. So let me.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, let me take the.